Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laserjet P1005N printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you want. I am going to the Google Chrome. And here type HP Laserjet P1005N printer driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. The first link is from the HP printer support.hp.com. Open the first link. Here we find official website of the HP. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system. If your operating system is not detect right or bit is not right, then go to here, choose a different OS. Select here Windows and go to the here. And if you find Windows 11, don't select Windows 11. Windows 11 is not with basic drivers and we want basic drivers. For that, we go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Go to the Windows 10 64-bit and click on update. Windows 10 64-bit drivers are with the basic drivers. Close it. And here we find many drivers or many links. Go to the here and search for the basic drivers. It is in driver product installation software. Expand this. Expand basics drivers, expand it. Here we find our printer names. This is a series of this printer. Here we find file size. It is a very small size or the low size. Click at here download and it's redirected to the another page and our download is start or finish in a few seconds. Click at here download. Our download is completed now. Go to the downloads. Click on show in a folder. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file. And this setup file, this printer setup file is actually zip file and we are going to extract this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it. Click on the show more options. Here we find extract files. Click on the extract files. Click on the OK. Our file is extracted. New folder is created. Double click on this newly created folder. Here we find our printer driver. Close it. And we are going to install this printer driver manually. That is the simplest way to install on this printer on Windows 11. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In printers and scanner at the top, we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up. Wait for a few seconds. Here is the new option. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the add manually. Close it. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Here go to the here port and select any port name .4_001 HP printer device, HP printer or HP printer device. If you find anything about HP, select that. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004. Select any USB port. I select the USB 001. Click on the next. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Select our printer. Here we find extracted printer. Double click on this folder, extracted folder. Here we find single file. Select that single file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer. Select our printer name HP Laserjet P1005N. This is our printer. And click on the next. Here is our printer name. You can give any name that you want. I go with the same name. Click on the next. It's install our printer. It's take less than a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find two options. I don't want to share this printer, so I click on the first option. If you want to share this printer, then select last option and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on the finish. Last option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In printers and scanner, if you find HP Laserjet P1005N, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.